Your RV is more than just a vehicle. It's your ticket to endless adventures and cherished memories. But what happens when the unexpected happens? Warranty forever, protecting your RV investment.
At DeMontrond RV, we know how important your RV is. That's why we provide warranty forever at no cost to you. A program designed to give you peace of mind for the lifetime of your ownership.
Here's how it works. Warranty Forever provides lifetime coverage on key components of your RV, like the suspension, brakes, heating system, kitchen appliances, and much, much more. And the best part? There's no additional cost to you.
With Warranty Forever, there are no hidden fees or tricks. Just follow the outline maintenance schedule and your coverage remains active. If something goes wrong, we handle the repairs. It's that simple.
Our certified technicians ensure that your RV is always ready for the road, giving you the freedom to explore without worry. With Warranty Forever, your adventures have no limits. Whether you're exploring the mountains, relaxing by the beach, or finding new favorite campsites, your RV is always protected.
Warranty Forever isn't just a program, it's our promise to keep you protected on every journey, so you can focus on what matters most, making memories.
Start your adventure today with the confidence of Warranty Forever, because your RV deserves the best, and so do you.